Lapahan wait lang. Go.
Happy birthday, Nina, Nina. Ayun.
One, two, three. Go.
Happy birthday, Nina.
Happy birthday, Nina. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Ano? Smile. Pose. 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 Iba ba? Magical ba ako? Pose. Very good. Enough na.
Nina.
Happy birthday.
Nina.
Ginagawa mo dyan. No.
Happy birthday, Rika. Dalaga ka na, hindi na bata.
Dito na siya.
Di mo na, Day. Kamusta ka naman, Day?
Sabi ko kayo naman yan. Oo.
Pag-uwi mo na lang yung gift mo, ha?
Happy birthday.
So what? We get drunk.
So what? We smoke.
Ayan na. Ayan na yung greeting mo.
Saan yung greeting mo? Gagawa daw sa sarili mo.
Ang tare.
Ayun na pala yung earrings mo eh.
Ano nakuha ba ito?
Diba kaya? Dahil
Seriously, Rika. Since you're 18 now. Quiet, baby. Since you're 18 now, I want you to be more responsible for taking care of mommy and daddy. Always do your best in studying, with your studies para malagyan mo na ako ng braces in the future for free. And, yun, boys, go lang. You know what to do, and you know what not to do. So I trust your judgment in everything. I love you, my little sister. Happy birthday. See you on November. At ang gift ko, huwag mo kalimutan. Siyempre pa, yung gift mo, i-follow na lang. I love you.